how to create a Google Calendar. So basically, if you would like to create a Google Calendar, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open your browser and go to calendar.google.com, which is the type of interface you will see like this right here. So once you go to calendar.google.com, over here, what you have to do is right from here, you'll find this option called other calendars from the bottom left where you'll find the plus icon. So you can click on the plus icon right there. And there you can find an option that says create new calendar. So click on the create new calendar option. All you have to do is simply enter the name for the calendar that you'd like to use. And then you can simply also go ahead and then make sure to enter the description depending upon your choice. Now you can choose a time zone for your new calendar option right here. Then all you have to do is click on the create calendar option in order to create that calendar. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create new calendar. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.